In this video, I will show you how to get a free trial with Crayon AI. So if you want to get a free trial, you can head over and then click on this sign up option. And then as you can see, they only use or support free content. So you can head over and then continue and sign up using your Google account or using your email address and password. For this one, I'll just head over and authenticate my Google and use it for the Crayon AI. Now from there, I have actually signed up. You can head over right here to the subscription and they have a free plan perk, which is usually the waiting of 1 to 2 minutes. You can head over and click onto this upgrade, and you can see in here their plan, like supporter as well as professional. However, do take note that they do not offer a free trial, but you can head over and then utilize their free plan right here. So, for example, you can head over to your collection and click onto this generate image. And then from in there, you can head over and generate image you're liking. Just write what you want. For example, as put in here, dog glowing. And then for this one, just head over and click on draw in order to just actually head over and see it. As you can see, they have a waiting time of around 1 to 2 minutes, so you can head over and use or see it right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.